Day 5 of our trip. We're in Animal Kingdom. It's our last full day. But look, they're making Pandora. I wish it was done. So I feel about a lot of Disney projects. I wish they were all conveniently done as soon as I got here. They have elephant glow sticks. What?
From the day we arrive on the planet and blinking step into the sun, there's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done.
Frank likes fish.
The sun rolling high through the sapphire sky, eats great and small on the endless round. It's the circle of life, and it moves us all through despair and hope.
It's huge. Are you tapping out? Or are you just taking a picture?
Taking a picture.
I'm ashamed, but I can't eat more. They give you a lot of food here. We're full, but our fast pass is up in 15 minutes. So we're gonna go ride Dinosaur. This is gonna be a really bad idea.
Hollow.
Are you excited to feel weird and maybe not good? Yes. Much food, much full. Many dinosaurs. Hey, look, there it is.
Noise.
An asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time limits have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course.
Feeling good. Didn't feel nauseous. Still hate that ride. Frank's taking a picture to make an inappropriate shoot. Don't say it on the camera.
Seen a king or beast with quite so little hair.
I'm gonna be the main event like no king was before. I'm brushing up on looking down. I'm working on my
Ah, thus far a rather uninspiring thing.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
You've got a long way to go, young master, if you think.
No one's saying do this.
Now when I said that,
No one's saying be there.
What?
No one's saying stop that.
What you don't
No one's saying
realize.
see here.
Now see here.
We don't run around all day. 2, 3.